Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook activity a little more private, especially when it comes to who you follow, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to hide your following list from specific friends on the Facebook app for PC using the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear, and you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to your main settings page, where you can control all aspects of your Facebook account. Now, look for the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it. Here, you'll find a setting called Who Can See the People, Pages, and Lists that you follow. This is the option that controls the visibility of your following list. Click on this setting and you'll see several privacy options. To hide your following from specific friends, select Friends Except. This option allows you to choose exactly which friends won't be able to see who you're following. A list of your friends will appear. Simply scroll through and select the friends you want to exclude. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes at the bottom of the window. And that's it. Your following list is now hidden from the friends you selected. They won't be able to see the people, pages, or lists you follow, giving you more control over your privacy on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.